What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix voice chat problems and other sound issues for Warzone on your PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Open up the game and navigate to your audio settings. Scroll down and make sure to set your speaker/game sound device to the default system device. In the voice chat section, make sure to enable voice chat. Set the speaker and microphone device to your default device or to the device you wish to use. It's suggested to get used to using push to talk as your microphone activation mode to prevent background noise from annoying teammates. Below, choose a push to talk key of your choice and make sure to set the voice chat and microphone volume to 100. This can be decreased later on, but will help in finding out why you are having voice chat issues. After making changes to your Warzone settings, you should close the game and search for sound in your Start menu search to open up your sound settings window. On this window, make sure to set the output and input device to your main device. Set the input volume to at least 50%, and depending on which microphone you are using, you will want to set it to 100%. Below, in your advanced sound settings, click on Troubleshoot Common Sound Problems for output and input devices. A new window will open up, where you will have to scan your audio devices for common problems. Under Volume Mixer, you should make sure that the Warzone application is not muted by your operating system. Back in your advanced sound settings, click on More Sound Settings. Your sound control panel will open up. Make sure that only your preferred input and output device is enabled. Next, double-click your recording device, and in the Advanced tab, set the default format to 44,100 Hz or 48,000 Hz, depending on what's available to you. Below, make sure to enable the two exclusive mode options, which will allow Warzone to change your input volume, for example. After tweaking your settings, you can close this window and search for Device Manager in your Start menu search and hit Enter. On this window, expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Here, right-click the output sound device you prefer to use. Select Update Driver and make sure to search automatically for drivers. This will take a minute to make sure that your device's driver is up to date. When this is done and the issue persists, then your game files might be corrupted. Open up your Blizzard launcher and click on the gear icon next to the play button for Warzone. Select Scan and Repair. This will take a minute to re-download and reinstall any missing or corrupted game files, which could otherwise cause sound issues. In case you still have audio issues, then your hardware might be faulty. Ensure yourself that your input and output device is working fine with other applications on your system. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.